Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a quick project share, which I'm excited to participate in this month's collab. And we do a 757 mixed media art collab, and we do it the last Sunday of each month, and we have a monthly theme. So I want to make sure you check out all the wonderful ladies below. We've got Susan, Lisa, Leah, Sheba, and Donna. Donna doesn't have a YouTube channel, but she has Instagram, so you can see her creations there as well. I will have all of their channels below. Go by and check them out. Guarantee you they will spark your creativity and make you think of doing something different that you hadn't done before. If you never altered the paintbrush, or maybe just inspire you a whole different style if you did do one before. So I'm going to show you what I use. I just used some gesso, gel medium. I used some apple barrel real red, and then folk art enamels metallic gold. I used some buttons from the Dollar Tree. Paintbrush, this is the other one that I was going to work on, but I didn't. It's a 3-inch Dollar Tree paintbrush, but this one's already gessoed. I used some of this gold rickrack, gold metallic rickrack. I use a piece of, oops, my stuff is coming all apart now. I use a piece of this lace right here. And then I use some of this black lace right here and this gold metallic thread. And I will show you what I made. And again, a little quick little share. This is a dangle that I made. And I just used a little gold beaded chain, and I cut it to length so that I could attach this dangle I made. So this is some black and gold ribbon, which Dollar Tree. This ribbon was on a, oops, I forgot to pull this out, but this came from Michael's in one of those sets like this a couple years ago. And then this gold leaf, actually, they have it at Hobby Lobby, but I think this set might have came from, well, it could have came from Hobby Lobby or the Dollar Tree. And then you can see that I put on a whole bunch of buttons, different sizes, and they were gessoed and painted. And I forgot to pull out my gold bling that I put there, 3 there, and then 3 little pieces here. It's a cabochon, and a little hair piece in there, some buttons, and a little frame, and I painted everything red. And then I add that little word charm that came from Michael's that says sweet, and this word friend is actually double layered because I changed what I was going to do. So that's a stacked double high. But anyway, that says friend, of course, so a sweet friend, and I put some gold metallic thread up there. And then here's the black lace, and then the other black lace under that one, and then the gold rickrack. And that is my altered paintbrush. And as you check out the ladies, you will see everybody did something different, different styles that we all have, different colors, and just different taste. So I think this was a fun project, and I always had it on my list to do. I don't think I've ever did one. I know when I first started on YouTube, they were doing a lot more altering stuff, the cans, the spools of threads, the the paint brushes, the paint stirrers, all those things were out, but I didn't do one at the time, so I was glad to do one now. So hope you've been inspired. I hope you like it. I enjoy it. It says sweet friend, so I like this. It's in my favorite colors, so it makes me happy. So I want you to go check out the wonderful ladies below, and I guarantee you will love what they made. So don't forget, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.